Hi guys! 11:24 PM na, iwaw feng shui na. Brethren, family and friends, pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang inyo pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz. Ang inyo pong feng shui, pachi, chimen, yijing, and date selection consultant. Kumusta po kayo? By the way, I'd like to thank ko Ma'am Dulce. Ma'am Dulce, thank you and to your daughter and son earlier. CK, yan. Binabati kita. I hope you're watching, or if not, you'll be able to watch this tomorrow. This is for you, CK. Opo, Ma'am Dulce, thank you so much for our, ilang years na po ba, ma'am? Tagal na rin. Thank you so much, ma'am, for the trust and confidence. Salamat po. And of course, I'd like to thank po my other client po from Muntinlupa. Ma'am Jat, thank you so much for the gift, Thank you so much, ma'am. More blessings po sa inyo, And kay Sir Romel po, ma'am, thank you so much. Okay. So, BFF, ilang araw na lang. Well, tomorrow is 24. Medianoche na po. Medianoche and then Christmas. So, po bang gagawin nyo? So, I know there's a lot of pressures now. Traffic. Mahabang pila po sa department store. Mahirap ang parking. Mahirap po lahat. But we should enjoy po. Let's enjoy the moment. No? Let's enjoy the moment. After hindi na po araw-araw yan, you have a hard time sa parking. Fully loaded ang mga resto, matagal po ang pila sa gift wrapping, matagal ang pila sa bayaran and everything, but it's part of the holiday season. So what we do is when we're settled down, we can do this manifestation until you get what you want. You visualize, siyempre nakaupo ka, you take the directions, backing directions, and you do 5 things. You let go, you open up, magpasalamat, you visualize what you want, specific yung mga gusto mo, and you give it back to society. Giving back to society means donation. Any form. Donation any form. Okay, BFF, tomorrow is December 24. It's called the Water Dog Enters the Open Officer Day. Kuya Norman, ano ba ang pwedeng gawin sa Water Dog Open Officer Day? O, sinin po natin. So, medyo slow down mo, Pasko na. Okay, ito po, seek blessings, suitable for seeking blessings, making a donation, ito na nga po, kakasabi lang, house cleaning, pursuing studies, and haircut. Avoid, start business, renovation, utility services, buying a new car and fermentation, not good for tomorrow. Ayan. Good for whom? Rat, not so good. Ox is average. Tiger and rabbit, very good. Hi, Toteng, bye! Thank you po. Magandang gabi po, Ateng. Hope to see you in Davao po soon. Dragon, not so good. Snake is average. Horse is very good. Goat is average. Monkey and rooster, not so good. Dog, very good. And pig, average. Ayan. So, yun po yung mga animal signs. So, tomorrow po, syempre naman, medianoche, a day before the Christmas, gusto pa rin po nating i-maximize yung outcome. Syempre po naman, others on the yang side, others are in the yin side. We use this po. Okay. If you want to create opportunities here and abroad, talikod po sa Southeast. If you're not feeling well and game changer, talikod po naman sa South. And to do with finances, talikod po sa Southwest. Heart-to-heart talk negotiations, talikod naman po sa Northwest. And for, if you want a blogger, content maker, to sales and marketing, talikod ka naman po. So, 10x show being beautiful and handsome, talikod ka naman po sa North. So, yan po BFF. Samahan na rin po natin. Meron po ba Kuya Norman Green Dragon, Flying Bird, and Jade Maiden watching the door? Just in case po, Just in case. Tingnan po natin. Okay, it says here, meron po tayong Flying Bird fall into cave, 9 a.m. to 10:59 a.m. Talikod sa North. Green Dragon returns po, the number 1 most auspicious structure in Chimen, 11 a.m. to 12:59 p.m. Green Dragon, talikod po sa East. And same time, Jade Maiden watching the door, talikod naman po sa Southeast. Oh, there you have it na po. So again, BFF, nakaupo ka, you ask for what you want. Siyempre po, while doing that, you let go of the past, you open up, you give thanks again, paulit-ulit na po tayo. You ask for what you want, and then you may visualize it, and then you give it back to society. So BFF, with all the rush, with all the stress daw po that this holiday season is caused, of course, we always look for the silver lining, the opportunity of being as happy, the real happiness po. Well, we cannot say how long the happiness would last, but still at that point in time, you are happy. Masaya ka because you got what you want. Sana po ganito po tayo this season na we are able to get what we want. Medyo slow down po, after all of this, fast-paced na naman. So, I think this is a perfect time while you're home, tapos na po yung quota and work, you settle down, you sit down, tatalikod po, use a compass, talikod sa backing that I mentioned, and you do the 5 things. But before that, you count from 64 to 1. Listen po, because we'll never know if one of us is in the yin side of life. And this is also to prepare us for sad and not so good events. So again, BFF like to greet each and everyone a joyous and Merry Christmas, a blessed one. BFF, again, let us continuously pray for each other. Let us pray for our leaders. Let us pray for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all with a grateful heart. Maraming po salamat sa inyong lahat. God bless, good night, and see you again tomorrow. Merry Christmas! Thank you!